Keeping your engine cool is essential not just for comfort, but for the longevity and reliability of your vehicle. Ignoring your car's cooling system maintenance can quickly lead to overheating, costly repairs, and unexpected breakdowns. Problems no driver wants to face. Whether you're driving daily or only on weekends, understanding and following a few simple cooling system care tips can save you time, money, and stress. By taking proactive steps, you ensure your engine runs efficiently and stays protected from heat-related damage. Let's explore the key maintenance tasks that will keep your vehicle's cooling system in top shape. 1. Don't ignore coolant flushes. Regular coolant flushes are vital for keeping your vehicle's cooling system healthy. Over time, coolant can collect rust, dirt, and contaminants that reduce its ability to transfer heat, increasing the risk of overheating. Old coolant may also become acidic, causing corrosion and damaging parts like the radiator and hoses. A coolant flush removes the old fluid and replaces it with fresh coolant, helping to clean the system. Most manufacturers recommend flushing every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or every 2 to 5 years. Ignoring this can lead to clogged passages, overheating, and costly repairs. Signs you need a flush include higher engine temperatures, rusty or dirty coolant, or a sweet smell near the engine. Staying on top of coolant flushes keeps your engine cooler, prevents damage, and extends your vehicle's life. 2. Replace your thermostat every 4 to 5 years. The thermostat is a small but essential part of your vehicle's cooling system that regulates engine temperature by controlling coolant flow. It stays closed when the engine is cold to help it warm up quickly, then opens to let coolant circulate and prevent overheating. Over time, thermostats can fail by getting stuck open or closed, causing the engine to overheat or run too cool. Both conditions can hurt fuel efficiency and damage the engine. To avoid problems, it's best to replace the thermostat every 4 to 5 years, even if it seems fine. Regular replacement ensures your engine maintains the right temperature, helping your car run smoothly and preventing costly repairs. 3rd, regularly examine the radiator cap. The radiator cap is a small but essential part of your vehicle's cooling system. It seals the system and maintains pressure, usually around 15 psi, which raises the boiling point of the coolant, allowing it to absorb more heat without boiling over. This helps your engine run efficiently. Over time, the radiator cap's seals and spring can wear out, causing leaks or loss of pressure. A faulty cap may lead to overheating, coolant loss, or air entering the system, which reduces cooling efficiency. Regularly check the cap for cracks, corrosion, or worn seals. If you notice coolant loss, overheating, or a sweet smell near the engine, the radiator cap might need replacing. Replacing a faulty radiator cap is a simple, inexpensive way to prevent bigger problems and keep your engine cool and running smoothly. 4. Check coolant levels monthly. Checking your coolant level regularly is an easy and effective way to prevent engine overheating. Coolant absorbs heat and keeps your engine at a safe temperature. If the coolant is low, your engine can overheat, causing serious damage like warped heads or blown gaskets. Most cars have a clear coolant reservoir with MIN and max marks, so you can quickly see if the level is right. Check it at least once a month, especially before long trips or during extreme weather. If the level is low, top it off with the correct coolant type. Using the wrong coolant can harm your system. Frequent low coolant may indicate leaks from hoses, the radiator, or other parts, so get it checked by a mechanic if you have to refill often. Also, watch the coolant's color and clarity. Rusty or dirty coolant could mean corrosion or contamination that needs attention. Making a monthly habit of checking coolant keeps your engine protected and helps avoid costly repairs. 5th, inspect hoses and belts for wear. Regularly inspecting your vehicle's hoses and belts is essential for keeping the cooling system and engine healthy. Hoses carry coolant through the engine, while belts drive components like the water pump that circulates coolant. Over time, heat and wear can cause hoses to crack, swell, or leak, and belts to fray or break. A damaged hose can lead to coolant leaks and engine overheating, while a broken belt can stop coolant circulation, causing serious engine damage. Check hoses for cracks, bulges, or softness, and look at belts for cracks, fraying, or looseness. Listen for squealing noises that might signal slipping belts. Inspect these parts at least twice a year or during oil changes, and replace any worn or damaged components promptly. Staying on top of hose and belt condition helps prevent breakdowns and costly repairs, while keeping your engine cool and running smoothly. 6. Monitor engine temperature gauge. The engine temperature gauge on your dashboard shows how hot your engine is running and is key to monitoring your cooling system. Normally, the needle stays in the middle, indicating a healthy temperature. If it moves into the red zone, your engine is overheating, which can cause serious damage. Overheating may be due to low coolant, a faulty thermostat, a broken radiator fan, or leaks. If you see the temperature rising while driving, safely pull over and let the engine cool before checking or calling for help. Ignoring overheating can lead to expensive repairs, like warped heads or blown gaskets. Watching the temperature gauge regularly helps catch problems early and keeps your engine running smoothly. 7. Clean the radiator externally. Cleaning your radiator from the outside is a simple but important maintenance task. Since the radiator sits at the front of your vehicle, it can collect dirt, bugs, leaves, and other debris that block airflow through its fins. This buildup reduces the radiator's ability to cool the engine, increasing the risk of overheating. To prevent this, regularly check the radiator and gently remove debris with a soft brush or compressed air. 8. Use the correct coolant mixture. Using the correct coolant mixture is key to protecting your engine and keeping your cooling system efficient. Coolant, or antifreeze, is mixed with water to lower the freezing point and raise the boiling point of the fluid. This prevents freezing in winter and overheating in summer, helping maintain a stable engine temperature. Most manufacturers recommend a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water, but the ratio can vary based on your vehicle and climate. Using too much water or coolant can reduce cooling efficiency. Taking care of your vehicle's cooling system is key to keeping your engine running smoothly and avoiding costly repairs. By following these easy maintenance tips, like checking coolant levels, inspecting hoses and belts, and keeping your radiator clean, you can extend the life of your car and drive with confidence. Remember, a little regular care goes a long way in protecting your investment. Stay proactive, and your engine will thank you.